Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover how to find the range. Now, the range tells us how spread out the data is between the highest value and the lowest value. So, how far apart those values are. All we need to do is find the difference between the highest value and the lowest value. So the highest minus the lowest, and then we have our range. So, let's jump into our examples, starting with number 1, where we have a student test and their scores. So, each test is out of 100 points. Let's just say that. So these are the points earned of the students. The first thing that we need to do is put the data in order from least to greatest if it's not already done so. This data is not in order, so we need to put it in order from least to greatest first. So let's start by doing this. So we can see our least score is 72. So let's cross them out one by one and just move to the greatest. So the second one is 79. My bad guys. 79. The third one is 81. 81. After that we have 88. 88. After that we have 91. And last 94. So this will be our all the points sorted from least to greatest. So now all we have to do is we take our highest value, subtract the lowest value, and we have our range. So let's just write this down. Range equals 94 minus 72, because 94 is our highest value and 72 is our least value. So now 94 minus 92 equals, let's write it down, 94 minus 92 will equal 22. And these are test points, so we can label it as points. And so we have our first answer. So the range, how to find the range is very easy. You just line them up from least to greatest, then you minus the lowest value from the highest value, and you will have your range. Now, onto the second example. We have ages of employees. Now, this one is already in order from least to greatest, so we can start immediately. So, range equals 55, which is our greatest number, or our oldest age, minus our youngest employee is 28. This will be, so range will equal 31 years. Because it is age, we can put years after it, and this will be our final answer. So, once again, the range basically is the spread of the data from least to greatest of these two. So, this was basically the video. It was a very quick, very simple video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. This was Mr. Mathz, and have a nice day. Bye.